On today's episode of Prucknick Adventures, we're going to be working with a kitchen knife that the tip broke. These are Hampton Forge, Hampton Forge. This one here is called the Epicure Superior Steel No Stain. But the Superior Steel, I don't know if you can see there, no tip. So the plan is, and I'm going to have to get this, is to use my work sharpener here. Get that out of my face. And I don't know how much you're going to all be able to see, and I got to keep some of it out of my way. And what I'm going to want to do is work at this a little bit. I don't know how much of a point I'm going to get back. But the wife said that I needed to sharpen it. And there's no lock. I'm not really using that guide a whole lot. I'm saying it was better. And that was on the slow, this is on the slow. This has got two speeds. There's slow and there's really fast. I don't think it's going to take much. That seems to be pretty sharp. I do likey. Handy dandy towel here to wipe some of that dust off. There we go. All right, she said it wouldn't slice a tomato. I think I got her. For a store-bought tomato, that one's pretty tasty. All right. Y'all stay blessed. It's midweek. Today, for here, it's Wednesday. I don't probably get this video out today. I'm gonna see if I can put a link on here. I have a Substack where I write articles, faith-based, but also with I'll even put this in here today too, about some of the home and gardening stuff I do. What do y'all think? Oh, I can see here a little bit that I got a little bit of a flat spot on that tip. Just a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that. But for the most part, that took care of it like in a jiffy. I like these Ken Sharps. Well, this isn't the Ken Onion, I should say. There's the Ken Onion version. So, work sharp. And then on the back here, you have up with the lever. There's a little lever right here. Down is for your pocket knives. And like maybe your hunting knives. That's a 25 degree. You push this lever up and you have it for your kitchen knives. And that's 20, oh, what is it? 20 degree. I was going to be right. 20 degree. In the box, came with everything I needed. Even tells you there's some instructions on the cardboard. I kept that, but you got the book. Book came with a little sticker pack and a little tips and tricks to get the sharpest knives ever. That's a quick setup kind of guide read, which is pretty, all helps. And then here's your user guide manual. So all that's there. There we go. I'm going to put all that in the box. Also comes with all your different types of belts. This one here, that's a cut. The one that's on there was the one that I don't remember when I put that. If I put that on or if it was on there when I got it. It's kind of a brown. That one there is for that to get that edge quick. But then there's the fine and the mediums in here. Also for utilities like an axe, if you have an axe. But this came in the kit just to have, so you have extras. And readily available at your hardware store, your big box hardware stores. I'm impressed with it. I'm not sponsored by them. This was a Christmas gift a couple of years ago. Not this last Christmas. No, this last Christmas. Part of it. Work Sharp, Sharpener. I don't spend the extra money for the Ken Onion. I'm sure he's a great guy. But maybe there's some more things it does than just what this does. But for what I need on my little property and homestead, this works great. And as you can see, it slices now, that knife. Wife was having an issue with it the other day. She says, you got all that stuff for Christmas. You need to sharpen my knife for me. And fix the point you broke. Because it was actually on this cutting board. And I went point down on something. And I don't remember what it was. But I had to put like a little bit of a twist to it. Like a little bit. And doink. And the tip was in the wood. Had to go and get a screwdriver and dig it out. And it's been like that for about, I don't know. I'm bad 2 months or so. But here we go. I hope she's happy. If that makes her day, it'll make my day. Y'all be blessed. Catch you on the next one.